Welcome Tamilas, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to take you guys to an amazing place which is in Dubai and it's new for us. நீங்களா வந்து travel vlogs எல்லாம் பார்த்திருப்பீங்க. I've covered most of the place in Dubai, but this place I have not covered it yet. இப்போ வந்து it's the most happening place in Dubai. It's the Blue Water in Dubai. So it's a very very nice place. We are super excited to go to that place today, and they have fireworks today. So we are going to cover that place for you guys, and it's going to be really really amazing. So in the vlog பார்க்கறவங்க video முழுசா full-ஆ பாருங்க. Watch this video till the end and enjoy, and make sure you guys come and check out this place as soon as possible. Check it out.
With cream.
Okay, and one cappuccino extra.
Yeah.
And one cheese. Croissant baguette and cheese twist.
Yes, please.
Okay. Anything else?
No, that's about it.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Last
you.
window, please.
Okay. Two levels are full. Only the last level is there. This Ultima is so confused, believe me. He did left, right, he's doing the same now. Don't tell me there's parking. No, there's no parking inside, I think so.
I took all. Let's go. Which parking we are in?
B27. Take this one, no?
Which one? B27. Okay.
From there.
Look at this. This is beautiful. Oh, wow. Nice, huh? This is amazing. What do you say about this place? Bola bola. So basically what you can do is you can drive from Dubai to this place. It's in Dubai, so it's an island called the Blue Water Island. Or you can park, I don't know what the location that is. Or you can park near JBR and then you can take that bridge and walk straight here. So it's much more easier if you guys are traveling by metro. Huh?
Yeah, but it's a long walk from it.
Yes.
That's Sheraton, that's Bliss.
That's Bliss,
Sheraton.
yes.
You see the S?
Yeah. It's a beautiful place. This is the first time visiting this place, and you have another option taking the water transport. So it's nice. So let's explore this place. I'm sorry for the color. I mean the brightness in the camera. I need to adjust it. So let me fix it now. I think it's good. Yes. So that's JBR. We are right opposite to the place. So we are right now in Blue Water Island. Let's see the dock cruise. Very 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 nice. That's the dock cruise. It goes all the way around. So what he's saying is,
You can read the Bliss.
yeah, you can sit here, and watch the fireworks here, or you can walk forward, he's saying. But
Yeah.
if you're going to walk forward, It's going to be crowded.
Yeah. See, it's only happening in the sky, so even from here we can watch.
Yeah. To avoid this crowd. And see, people are still standing on top also.
They will stand there also, yeah.
They're watching it from on top.
I sent the picture to Bhaiya also.
So that's the yacht which I was saying.
Can I put
It's
it
for
down, please?
1400. Yeah, you can walk. It's for 1400 dirhams. You can bring a family. It's for how many hours you said, Ba? For how many hours?
You can do birthday parties and stuff, 2 hours, 1400 or something.
2 hours, 1400.
But there are a lot of different offers with
Yes.
different yachts.
Plus, this is my favorite, the day cruise, the dinner cruise. Sorry, the dinner cruise. They serve food. They have music, dance.
Come, Yuvan.
It's nice.
Bag, I'll put it here.
You have so many of them here. That's another one who's coming. It's nice. This happens only in Dubai, Habibi. You want not down. Come. So the fireworks is going to be here, anywhere here. So there are people, a lot of people are watching from there. There are a lot of people watching from here.
Watch it now.
There are a lot of people will be watching from here. So it's going to be superb. And we are really excited to watch this fireworks today. Trust me, it's going to be superb. Hopefully. And this is the Dubai Eye. It's under construction still. So hopefully we'll be back again when this starts and we should be there on top having a ride. So that's going to be interesting for this time. And that's my favorite door cruise. The last one was here, and they have another one here, and you have another one who's coming from there. So there are a lot of them coming. The best thing is, I'm just thinking how this place is going to be on New Year's Eve, because it's going to be jam-packed, and we are also thinking where to go and where to celebrate New Year's Eve. Those who are living here, it's much more easier for them to come here, but those who are living in the heart of Dubai or Sharjah or Ajman or Abu Dhabi, it's very, very difficult for them to come here. So we are thinking also where are we going to celebrate New Year's Eve. So it's going to be... So let's see. I will surely update you guys where we're going to celebrate. I'm stuck with this truck, with these bikes going around glowing like a... Oh, there's a huge traffic here. Everyone is like zoom, 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 zoom. May this glow, the glow bikes. They are heavy. So they have a lot of food stalls. To say the truth, it's expensive. So this is for kids, painting, artwork, just time pass to keep them busy. We have a snowman made of, not snow, thermocol. So this is the blue water. So this is the eye which I was saying. It's not ready yet, but hopefully it should be done very soon.
One picture of Yuvan and the teddy.
Sure, come. This teddy is all over Dubai.
Huh?
This teddy is all over Dubai.
This teddy is already?
This teddy is all over Dubai. So this is the eye. So the fireworks is going to start at 8:30, and now the time here is 7:35. So we have another 1 hour's time left. So we don't know what to do. So we just got a place to sit. So we are sitting down here. Look at the eye right behind me.
Half.
Half eye. It's not half.
It's actually not called I. It's called something else.
No, but here it says the Dubai project. Oh, sorry, the London project.
Project is a restaurant.
Restaurant. Oh, okay. So no, it's the Dubai Eye. Okay, whatever the name is. So it is almost done. I think only thing the what they say, the cables or the cabins should be done, and then they are done, I think. It's all set. What is he doing? I'm not sure if you guys can see Burj Khalifa. Okay, I can see it from here, but that is Burj Khalifa. You guys think of having seafood? You have it here. Make sure your pockets are full for this. What is he doing? He is relaxing, Habibi. I like these balloons. So that's the eye, and look at this. Zook. Oi. Wow, that's amazing. Christmas is still on. So here are the informations. You have a restroom, prayer room, information, North Walk, waterfront restaurants, gate 3, gate 4, and there's many more. So if there's North Walk, I'm sure East, West, South should be. This is Blue Waters. Discover Dubai. All about Dubai souvenirs.
Sometimes I go down on myself and I look across the world. And I think the only thing.
Just for your info, guys, this is the bridge which I was saying. Highway, Habibi. Guys, last time people asked me how does the boat taxi look like when I did the cover for Dubai Festival City. So here it is. This is the boat taxi. It looks like a high-class ferry, but it's not. It's a boat taxi. RTA. So guys, that was an amazing fireworks. So guys, this was nothing you must see in New Year's Eve. It's going to be more bigger and better. So if you're planning anything on New Year's Eve, the best thing is to watch the fireworks and then party and then come and see the fireworks and the countdown. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like this vlog. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe right now, hit the bell icon, show some love by sharing this video with your family and friends, and I will see you guys as soon as possible with another travel vlog. Till then, advance Happy New Year, belated Merry Christmas, and have a beautiful 2020 ahead. Peace.